Welcome to another OlaCast Sunday Skill Builder. A rum-fueled treasure hunt in the sharky waters around the Gatsby Islands without Queen Raae. I'm your host, Cap'n Ola, and today we're going to only build page from index.md. Yeah. Ah! Ahoy! 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 Yes! Let's get started. Okay. I won't build yet because we're going to get some errors. So, zit. What are we doing? Building page only for index.md and not the sections. We have a lot of sections here. I'll show you that later. Why? Because it's less messy. We want a tidy ship here, you know. Maybe I should just push the camera a little. This is very scary to do because suddenly it just slides back to where it was. I'm only taping it. Yeah. How? So that's why. What? Only page for MD, index.md, and not for the sections. And this is on the POW page. And so the queen, she told me that I should do this. So that's why. And I asked her why. And then she said, it's tidier. And we want the code to be tidy, but also it's tidier. The website will be tidier. Yeah. So how? I'm using this mnemonic here. 1, 2, 3. ABC. So first I get the data, all markdown node. And then I'm using this template here, baking song, loop over. Right now I'm only going to have one node, but later it will be more. And that's 1, 2, 3, and then ABC, ahoy, baking song, Gatsby, and this is inside the create page method. But first, I'm going to show you this here, how we're doing it. So this create pages hook here, I get it from Gatsby, and then I'm passing down these Gatsby utils here, and I have a function up there which is called bake markdown nodes into pages, and I'm passing the Gatsby utils. Okay, so let's go up to this function here then. Oops, I want to go there. Yeah, go to definition. Yep. So these are the Gatsby utils that I'm passing down. And we're going to use this GraphQL here right away. I'm going to use it here on the one, supplies. So you are all going to see my cheat sheet because all this typing is a little bit dangerous here. Okay, I won't copy the whole thing right away. Let's just take this first. So this is just a regular const that is destructured into data. And I'm waiting. And that's good because you saw that I have an async. This is an async function. I'm waiting the GraphQL. And this GraphQL thing, as you see, is I get it from Gatsby. Yeah. And so this is my query here. Now I'm going to copy it. I'm going to copy the whole query. Yeah, good formatting and everything. So I'm querying all markdown remark. Here you see it. This is in graphical. All it's alphabetical here. I love it. All markdown remark. And as you see, I have renamed it to supplies. That's good for my story here because the story is about baking a gingerbread house. And then the supplies are like all the stuff you use to make the gingerbread house, which is not only the gingerbread dough, but also the stuff you put on the roof and everything, icing, So that's why I call it supplies. And also I'm doing a filter here, and that's kind of the the thing that I'm doing today. So we just get right to that filter. And it's very good to do it inside of graphical because then that's easier. It's easier. So all marked under remark, and then I click this little arrow here with filter. And what I want to filter on is fields, slug. What is that? What is field slug? Well, I actually made it myself. I just did what the queen told me to do, but so I didn't invent this, but I just made it up here. See here? Create node field. So I'm basically creating a field on my node, and I'm calling it slug, and the value is this here. So this is from Gatsby, and this create file path is also from Gatsby. So I'm creating a file path using the node and this get node thing here, which is they're both from Gatsby. No, wait a minute. This is from Gatsby get node, and this is my node, I think. I'm not sure actually, but it's only for markdown. It's only for markdown remark. Okay, so I made it, and I want it to equal slash index slash like that. All right. I really like this approach of filtering on index, letting the other markdown files in a folder be supporting content. Yes. Yes. So let's see how this query looks in graphical then. I want nodes. I want ID. That's what I need here. I'm not actually using this slug, so I don't really need it. But it's there, so I'll just keep it. But I'm not going to show you here. Here you go. And as you can see, I only get one node. And that's what I want. But I could have more if they had a slug equal slash index slash. No, I couldn't. No, because that slug is the one. Wow, this is great. This is the slug to my actual, like, what do you call it? Home sometimes. So it's like the front page kind of thing. Yeah. So if I want some other pages, then I need to put some other slugs in here. And then I'll probably make another function for that. which is what I'm doing in my own website, olavea.com. I have several functions, building pages from different kinds of data. All right, then. So that's it. That's the supplies. Supplies. These are the supplies. And I could actually console log that now. I think I should comment out this, or else Gatsby will get angry. I think that it is all the stuff I should comment out. Yeah, it is. I'll comment it out. Oh, sorry. That was not commenting it out. And now we can build it. Build it and see what happens. I'll just keep going. I'm not waiting for that. What I want now is to console log that, and we'll see it. Oh, remove the comment. Never forget, remove comment. Yes, there you go. Okay. That was one. Supplies. Two. So when you're baking gingerbread house, you could do it without the recipe, but I don't like that. I like the recipe. And when you create pages, you must have a recipe. This is it. This is the recipe. I'm calling it page template. You can call it whatever you want. I call it that because it's called page template.js here, and it's inside templates. I'll show you here. src templates page template. That's where it is. We're not going to look at it right now because we're not. Okay, so that's step 2. How are we doing with the building? Oh, good thing I checked that because I am building something else, which I am guessing is my own page here. Yes. Okay, go away then. Let's try again. N. No, I want the port. I want that port. But maybe we can just watch it then, since... No, we can't. Well, let's watch it. Yeah. Let's let it do it. And we'll go to 3 here. Loop over the supply node. So it is. This is it. This is my node. You see the ID here? That's the same as you had here in graphical. Same ID. 5-2. No, it's not. Well, that's okay. It's a different kind of ID, maybe? I don't know. That was weird. Well, I'm not going to let that stop me. What happened was that were we able to source the data? Oh, yes, we were. So, and then 2 baking song and 3 loop over. I'll do like that then. Do like that. Do like that. 3. So 3 has these 3 steps. That's good. A, ahoy, aroma path. B, baking songs. I'm going to put my baking song in here. And C, Gatsby here is node ID. Yeah, so these red lines will go away when I do this. Okay, then. Path. Just go to my cheat sheet so we don't do anything stupid. Node, we are using the slug. What was I thinking? Here. That's the path. That's the path to the page on the internet, which is this, which is literally just slash, actually. It's just slash. But I'm getting it here from my fields. And here, node field slug. Whoops, we're missing step 3. Okay, go back. Sorry. That's why I have these mnemonics, so that I can see that I'm missing a step. Missing this step would just have given me some sort of error message probably, but what's the point? It's better to remember. I like that better. I like it. So the component here is just page template. Page. Let's see if we can remember it. Yes. Thank you, Prettier or ESLint or whoever that was. So the component, just like the page, is this page template here, which I have. And then we just need that's B and then C. We need an ID here. We need an ID. And I'm calling this prop here Gatsby because it's good for my story. I have a C, but you can call it what you want. You can call it ID, for example, if you like that, or something cool. Make it up. Make it up. The important thing is, and now I'm going to build this, and then I'm going to show you the page templates because this is a good time. We're going to find this here in the page template now. So I save first, kill the page, rebuild it. I mean, kill the terminal, and now we're going to look at it. Now we're going to look here. Oh, I forgot to start my timer. Ah, that's life. That's life. Okay, page template. Here you go. What? How can I make this work? There's not even a page template here. I kind of felt that it was working. Okay, I'll take a seat now. Well, this is good. This is good. Let's not change it. Let's see what happens. Building, building, building. It's a little slow. Okay, what is this? This is just a totally normal React component. And that's not what I need. Why is it like that? You know what? I think I didn't merge my pull requests or something. The Queen is saying something here. Let's see if we can read it. I added it to your review. You need to copy paste the code you had in the parrot page. Ah, I see. Okay. I should probably do that. That sounds like the smart thing to do, but I'm not going to. I'll try to build it. I'm not the queen, so YOLO coding is not for me, but I'll do it anyway. You see this here? Boblevann, bubbly water, we call it, and it's literally water. We also call it sprudlevann. It's kind of bubbly water. Yes, bubbly is like sprudly is kind of a mood. But, oh, I'm getting another comment here. I can copy paste the code from the code exporter. Wow. What a tip. This is not exactly YOLO coding because I've been doing this many times before, but it's still risky to do it live. Let's do it live! Oh, one more comment. It will fail if the page template does not export a component. Sorry, I must do like that. It will fail if the page template does not export a component. Yeah, let's see what happens. Let's see what happens here. Yeah, we shall export it and we shall do the stuff that usually fails. And so I cannot use all markdown remark now, or maybe I could, but I don't usually do that. I'm going to do it the way I usually do it, and that's click Explorer, close this query up. It's a little hard to see maybe, but it's gone now. I don't have a query here now. It's gone. And then I take markdown remark down here, which is not all markdown remark, it's just one. And I will need now to use that um, thing again here. So markdown remark, and I want to go on the ID. ID. But I wanted my Gatsby. Where is my Gatsby then? Huh. I can't see my Gatsby here. There's no Gatsby here. Well, let's see how we do this. ID equals, and then I'll use this ID here. Do you remember that I had two different IDs? Don't get hung up on that. I feel that this will work. I got a feeling. Nah, 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 nah. And what do we need? What do we need here? Well, at least the HTML. Is that what we have though? We have lots of sections. Maybe we shouldn't do HTML. Maybe we should do title, front matter title. All right, let's see what we get. Nope. You cannot get it. All right. All right. Well, I kind of feel that I should do it anyway, so I'll just keep on. Don't do this at home, people. It's dangerous. Okay. Oh, sorry about that. No. I want it here. Okay, so this code exporter that I clicked, I didn't tell you, sorry. I clicked on the code exporter and then I just clicked this copy button. I like it. And the queen just told me, don't call it component name. Don't do that. That's not good. Oh, remove the comment. Sorry. I'll call it markdown page. And I need to export it down here too, or else I'll be in trouble. And also, I like these little semicolons down there. Okay. On markdown page, and here's my query. And since that didn't work, anyway, I'm not going to use it. What I'm going to do is copy this here. That. And I'm going to change it back to Gatsby because I like Gatsby. Let's use Gatsby. That's better for me. Sorry. What happens if I just save it? It'll just get angry. Okay. I don't want it to be ID. I want it to be Gatsby. Gatsby equals string. And then I want... yes. This is going to be good. And then I want the ID to equal Gatsby. Is that how I did it? Yeah. That is how I did it. That's what I want. Okay, let's see what happens then. No. Here you are. Localhost. Okay. R. We should look at all that stuff. No. This is, well, look at this. Index / That is. There's nothing there. Okay. So something's wrong. And that's life. I'm not creating a React component, maybe. That could be why. But maybe I could just also do or H1. Yeah, I probably shouldn't do it because my graphical query failed, but let's try anyway. Let's do it. Data dot markdown remark. Data dot markdown remark dot front header dot title. Okay. What happens now? I'm gonna check my. I'm gonna build it again. I'm gonna build it again. Okay. Did it work? No, not that well. And that's life sometimes. We also could maybe copy that, like the Queen said. Well, let's put up her comment. Let's try that then. I'll just see if this build thing worked now. I don't think so. I'm doing something wrong and I'm not quite sure what. And but I'll do that. I'll try what she says here. Let's put her comment back up. You need to copy paste. Yeah, here you go. You need to copy paste the code. You need to copy paste the code you had in the parrot page. Okay, I'll keep it up for a little while. I won't take away the comment. My parrot page. So then, GitHub. I'll use Chrome for that. GitHub /Ola there /PowerSite. Here you go. Here you go. Okay, issues. And pull requests. Requests. I guess I'm doing a closed one. Remove all unused code. Was that when I removed it? Maybe. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Yeah, I'm not showing you this because it's not secret. It's just a little boring. So I'm going into my pages here to see if my parrot pages are here. Yeah, here are the parrot pages. Yeah, why not? I can click the raw copy here. Isn't that right? Copy raw content. So I went to an old, what you call it, pull request on GitHub, which is not that old, but yeah. And here's what I got. Look at this. Looks like I'm not calling it Gatsby here. I'm calling it ID. Like I said, you can call it ID. Look at this. ID equals string equal ID. This should not matter. I should not need to change this. So don't do this at home, but I'm doing it. I'm going to change it. I'm going to change it back. No, I'm not. I'm going to change this to Gatsby. Gatsby. Am I getting it though? ID, yeah, node ID. Yeah, it is the right place. Okay. It is the ID, so I could call it ID, but then I have to rebuild, and I don't want that. I don't want that. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun, dun. Should I? Maybe I'd have to rebuild anyway. I shouldn't need that. No. Or am I? I here it is. I refreshed my Chrome and noticed, wow, it's not working now either. So what is it I'm doing wrong then? There is maybe something wrong with that. Maybe I'm doing something wrong over there in my Gatsby node. Could be. Okay then. Well, this is going to be good. We're going to sum it up. We're going to start from the top and do it all again, kind of, just as a summary. Like I said, 1, 2, 3, A, B, C. It's not going to check it. We have the supplies. We have the baking song. Are we looping over? Okay, here. 1, 2, 3. On data. Maybe it is the problem that we got a different ID. Could be. Could be. What happens if I do this then? The nodes dot fields. I don't know. Could be. Let's rebuild it and see what happens. So, I feel that this graphical here thing, query, is working. I feel that it's working. But I'll do it again. Doing stuff over is good. Don't let anybody tell you otherwise. Doing it again is good. It is good. Yeah, I had a problem here. Remember? Let's wait with the filtering. Let's wait with the filtering. So all markdown remark, nodes, fields, slug. What do you get? This is it. This is the one we want. This is the one we want here. I have several others. You see here, index / onwards, blah, blah, blah. We don't want these. Wow, this about page. I need to do something different later. But we're doing it this way now because I like it this way. Okay, let's see what ID we get then. It should, I think maybe that is the problem we're getting here. So this 13B89, that is the ID we should get. Because that is the right one. So let's see if we can just do both of them. No, that's not good. That's bad form. Okay, all markdown remark equals 13 blah 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 and fields slug. Something is wrong. What am I doing wrong here? From matter. Yeah. Why is that wrong? Something is wrong. Markdown remark. No front pointer. We don't need that. And there it is. Yeah. That. Sorry. Equals 13 blah blah blah. That is the one we want. That is the one we want. So this should be right. Let's see how the build is going then. Let's look at our console log here. Where is it? My console log is showing me nothing. Is that bad? Yeah, that could actually be bad. Why? I don't know. How about I do this then? Okay. I still feel that this query here is good. I feel it's good. And then here's a page template. And that is this page template here. We'll look at it later. Are we doing this right? Let's console log it. Nodes dot ID, for example. Yeah. Save. And then look at this. Yeah, here. That is the ID 13B blah blah, and that is the right thing. Good. Building is still building. Well, start building from scratch, bro. Okay. Maybe I'm not finished with this. Maybe I'm not doing it right. Could be actually. Maybe I just showed you enough here. I think so, maybe. I think I need to. This other stuff that is not working is something else. It's something else. Yep. I love this create pages here. I love parrot pages too, but I love this more. I love these create pages more. I gotta be honest. That is true. Okay then. We have 2 console logs now. No, we don't. Building schema, and they're here. Create pages. Oh, maybe that is right. Maybe I need to do it inside the create pages. I don't know, man. I don't know what's wrong here. It is not working. That works because that's something else. This is not working. No, I'm not going to go there. Yes, I am. I want to go there, and I'm not getting it there. I am on index now. There's nothing here. Okay, yeah, well. Oh. Okay, let's try to build something there then. What am I doing wrong? Do I need all this? Do I really need all this stuff here? No, I don't actually. All I actually need here, well, all I actually need here is, oops, I'm a page. That's all I need. That's what you get. I want it. Come on, give me that. No, there is something wrong. Something is wrong. Something is wrong. Well, what is all this stuff? I don't know. I want to save this for a rainy day. Markdown remark page. Uh, Maybe it's all my comments here. Could it be that? Yes. Import. React. React. Export. Default function md page turn a page. I like these semicolons. I like that. Wow, it went away. My semicolon was gone. But it's not. There is something wrong. Something is wrong here. Okay. So there is something wrong. Oh, don't forget to drink. I'll take a coffee first. That's better. Okay. Let's start at the top again. That is how I do it. So down here, I'm saying that I want to, sorry, I'm saying that I want to create pages with this function here. 1, 2, 3, ABC. Here it is. Async function, bake markdown nodes into pages. And then 1, supplies. Okay, let's look at my cheat sheet at the same time so that we have everything. We know that we're getting the right node here. So I'm thinking this is good. My query is good. That's not my problem. Okay, number 2. Baking song is page template. Is it right? Is it actually in src templates page template.js? Yep. The problem, the queen says, the problem is your Gatsby node. Well, oh, sorry. Problem is my Gatsby node. Yes, I agree. Okay, is this the right page template? Yes, it's is, because here I'm just saying that's where you find it. Go look there for the recipe, and then that's a good thing because we can change the recipe later. And then I'm taking data, supplies, nodes for each node, actions, create page. Take away this console log. And then node fields slug. Yeah, that's valid. That is valid. Component is page template. Let's have a look at the cheat sheet then. Node field slug, page template. Maybe it is this Gatsby thing. Maybe I can't call it Gatsby this time. Well, all right then. I'll be a good boy. I'll call it ID. I'll call it ID. Yeah. Okay. I'll be a good boy. The problem is my Gatsby node. I'll remove it even though it is true. Like that. Like that. Oh. Oh. All right. It's simple. So my ID is my ID. This is the best way to do it. You should go in graphical here. You should make your query here like this. And then you should export this query here. Let's do it again. So my ID equals this. Is it really showing? Yeah. But I don't really want the slug, do I? I just want something to show. Well, I could show the slug. Why not? Why not? Let's do it. Okay, code exporter. Copy. What happens if I just put this in? Maybe it works. I can't remember doing it this way actually, but see. R. No, it's no good. is no good. Okay, I'm gonna stop now because this is not what I want to show you. I can tell you what happened. I can tell you what happened. I was going to show you how to create pages. But I didn't prepare enough because I didn't prepare to run into this problem. But I've been running into this problem before. And I can tell I'm just getting distracted by being live coding. So I'm going to stop. But this is how you build pages. This is how you create pages. 1, 2, 3, A, B, C. And there's something I'm doing wrong here, I'm guessing, and I'm going to find out. And yeah, that's it. So I'm going to sum it up. Here it is. What am I doing here? I'm actually creating just one page. As you can see here, I'm console logging all my nodes, and it's just one node. So I'm just building a page for that one node, and that's totally cool. That's not the problem here. And why am I doing it? Because I only want to build for that page and not for all the sections. I'm actually saying to Gatsby, don't build pages for my sections, because all the sections are going to be little pieces of this page. It's going to look like this. It's going to look like this. Use how. Dot app. This is Squarespace. Squarespace is great, by the way. Use Squarespace, especially if you're a developer. You know, if you're just going to put up a page, don't spend time coding the page. Just get it up. It's going to look like this. So this is a section here. This is a section. I only want them here on the actual front page of this marketing page for the app. I don't want this section also to have its own page. That's messy, untidy. We don't like untidy, we like tidy. No loose threads, you know. Watch any good mafia movie and you'll see why. Okay. And so let's sum it up. That was the why. What? Just build a page for the page. Put the sections on the page. Don't make pages for each section. That's what. Why is that is more tidy. We don't want untidy. Untidy is bad. How? So I'm using 1, 2, 3, ABC here. 1, supplies. So this is, I'm using create pages from Gatsby. I'm making a function here that I call inside create pages. I'm using this. And inside I'm getting the supplies with GraphQL, because GraphQL is great. Wait a minute. Yeah. So that's it. Number 1. Number 2, baking song is not actually called baking song JS. It's called page template. You can call it whatever you want. It is a page template, so I'm calling it a page template. And the baking song is a song about baking gingerbread house, and the page template is the recipe for making the page. So they're both recipes. That's why I'm doing it. Number 3, loop over the supply node and create a page. We just have a node here, but we will have more nodes. So loop over it, create a page with this create page method. It's not the create pages hook. You see there's an S there, which is the difference. So this one, the hook, gives us this method, or actually actions, and then the method. And inside here is ABC, so it's ahoy, aroma path. So that's like the fox smells the gingerbread, and he's like, rumble, rumble, and then he comes. He finds the path with his nose, and here it is. Ruby is singing and baking, on the component page template. So this is right, A, B, C, and here is our problem. We're doing something wrong here, and I'll find it out. But you can also you can try it on your own and find out what's wrong. And I'm going to do that now. I'm gonna turn you people off. Cheers! I'm gonna turn off YouTube, and I'm gonna go to work and fix it. I'm gonna play my song. It won't take long. I'm gonna do the twist, and it goes like this. This has been another unauthorized and rum-fueled treasure hunt in the sharky waters round the Gatsby Islands without Queen Raae. I'm your host, Cap'n Ola. Remember to smash that like button, friends, and next Sunday we'll see you again. Bye now.